Naloka ako kay Jace kasi naglalaro siya dyan. Tapos may isang girl na gusto ding maglaro dyan. Gustong ipasok yung ulo niya. Sabi ko kay Jace, mag-giveaway siya. Ayaw niya, bigla kinik niya. Pero hindi naman masakit. Kinik niya lang ng konti. So, nag-sorry ako dun sa mga magulang. Pero hindi ko in-explain na meron siyang autism. Sinabi ko lang, sorry. Kasi hindi maganda yung ginawa niya. Tapos itong si Jace, na-guilty din siya. Bigla hindi na siya kumikibot. Hindi na rin siya naglaro. What will you say to the mommy and daddy?
Sorry. Sorry po.
What you will say?
Sorry.
What did you do?
I did the girl.
You kicked the girl. Why did you kick?
The girl.
Oh, you have to share, di ba?
I did the girl.
What will you say?
Sorry po.
Sorry po, that's not good, okay?
I'm the bad girl?
Yes, you're the bad girl. Mommy is angry to you. Mommy is so angry to you.
Why did you kick
Why did you kick? Why did you kick?
the girl?
Oh, why did you kick the girl? Why? You have to share. That's not yours, di ba? You have to share. Sharing is caring, di ba? I told you you have to share. That's not yours. And you don't need to hurt anyone. Di ba? Don't do it again, okay?
Sorry, but
Say sorry, girl.
sorry, girl.
She's hurt.
You will hip.
What?
H is for hip.
Oh, hip. What happened to the hip?
H is for
Oh, what happened to the hip?
the hip in the girl.
The girl. Oh, what happened?
Why did you kick the girl?
Why did you kick the
Not
girl?
the soccer walker.
Oh, that's not good.
Not the soccer ball.
Oh, that's not good. You want I will tell Teacher Jamie you're doing that one? Are you sorry?
Yes.
Promise, don't do it again, okay? If you do it again, I will leave you here. No one with you.
Anish.
You put bandage to
In
the
the
girl.
girl.
No, you cannot. Not every bubu you can put bandage. Not like that.
Yes, it's a bukos.
Bukol. And then?
Bukos.
Bukol. And then?
You kick the buko with the baby.
That's good or no?
That's not good. Good.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm sorry, mother.
Oh, wag mo naman. Don't do that again, okay? Promise? Don't do that again. Don't do that. Don't be aggressive. You have to share that one. It's okay na. Don't panic na. It's okay na. The mother said, okay, it's okay. Don't panic now, okay?
The mother said, it's angry, mother.
The mother said it's okay daw. But don't do it again, okay? It's not nice. Okay? You don't know her. Okay? Apply ka na. At ayan, tahimik na siya mga Maricoy. Pag hawak niya yung kamay na yan, na o-overwhelm siya. So, ganyan yung ginagawa niya. Kasi hindi niya rin gusto yung ginawa niya dun sa girl. Diba that's not good?
Yes.
Did you say sorry? Why? What happened? What? You kicked the girl? Talaga? Why did you kick? Why? Talaga naman. Kawawa the girl. Why did you kick? Okay. Tok, 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 tok.